Hi everybody, it's Claire with another page for day 3 of the Art by Marlene Advent calendar. So I'm starting off using a piece of collage paper from Art by Marlene. I've just cut a Christmas tree shape out of it, and then I'm going through the die cuts that she has got from her most recent release and just taking some small elements out of there that I can use as decorations on the tree. So anything like little circles, little stars. And then, so in day 3 we got a small acrylic block, and I decided I would print with it onto my page and create like a red and green checkerboard effect. And because this paper in this journal is really textured, it did create quite a cool textured background, and I really liked the look of it. So once the red was done, I didn't dry it, probably should have done, but I went straight in with the green, and in one or two places the red bled into the green a little bit, but I wasn't really bothered about that, so it was okay. So then once I'd done that, I did give the acrylic block a really good clean, because I do want to be able to use it as an acrylic block too. I then found a tag that I could stick my Christmas tree on so that it wouldn't kind of get lost on the background quite so much. And I was going to stick it in place, and then I decided I would add some stamping onto the page. That was a Stampers Anonymous stamp, and then glued it in place and edged it with the black archival ink. Then started sticking on all the little bits and bobs that I'd got from the die cut book, sticking those in place, decorating my tree. This is a job we've not done in our house yet. It's my youngest child's birthday tomorrow, so we have to do birthdays before we do Christmas. So then I'm just outlining the tree and adding some little white marks on there, like almost like little lights. Then I got out one of my stamps that I've made, and I found a green ink pad and a red one, and just added some stamping onto those squares too, just to add a bit more interest onto the background. Coloured some of the circles in using red and green Posca pens too. So I didn't want to make the background too complicated, but just a little bit more interesting. Then I decided I would edge the tag in black, just so to help it stand out a little bit more. Double-sided tape, and stuck it in place. I did add some splatters too at the end. Again, I'm using these rub-on letters from Art by Marlene. They are just fabulous. They come in so many different fonts. You can see I've got loads of packets of them because I really, really love them. And I'm just adding the words merry and bright, and I'm going to put those onto white printer paper, and then it will get stuck on my page. So if you haven't got yourself any of those rub-on letters, they are worth getting hold of. I think you'll agree they do create a really nice addition of text to the page. And there we go. Oh, then I edged those using a black Stabilo All, just to give them a little bit of a, help them stand out again. Some splatters using a neon Posca pen. Finished. Day 3 of the Advent calendar, done and dusted. See you tomorrow for day 4.